and font-based data with other applications. Vector data such as lines, arcs, circles, and splines are supported. Additionally, text and dimensions are supported. Line styles and pen weights are also supported. Surface and solids are exported as wireframes. This export is accessed under File, Export, PDF 2D. Select OK, and it'll export everything in the displayed layer set. Let's go ahead and export out an example of our curve entity types in our product. Now let's move on to our next example, which is going to be text and dimensions. So let's pop open a layer that has some text. Let's also open up a layer with a draw view on it too, with a scale. And let's change the scale of the draw view to 10. And we're going to go ahead and export out this set of text and annotation and line entities. And we'll go to File, Export, PDF 2D, and then we'll pick text and for our file name. And let's do one more example. This time we'll do line weights and pen styles. Let's open up those layers and zoom up and export out this set of data. And we'll call this styles. When we're complete, we'll open up some of these in a PDF viewer. And lastly, let's show you what happens if you try to export surface or volume entities, such as solids, surfaces, and meshes. You'll note that the PDF that is being exported is vector-based, so in this particular case, you will see wireframe representations of your surfaces and solids. Let's open up Preview and open up the curve example that we previously exported as a PDF, and let's zoom up. Let's zoom up on something like the arc and the circle, for example, and you can see that the resolution is preserved as we zoom in and out through this PDF. Next, let's open up the text and annotations PDF, and you'll see that our font types and arrowheads all were exported into the PDF. And now we'll open up the styles. This includes line weights and line styles such as arrowheads and dash dots. And lastly, we'll open up the solids. Again, the solids are going to come in as wireframes.